Ever wonder how much artificial intelligence seeped into our everyday lives? It's like an invisible hand, subtly molding our experiences, altering our decisions, and shaping our future. Today we dive into the captivating world of AI, exploring its profound impact through real-life narratives. Consider the tale of a farmer in rural India. Struggling with unpredictable weather patterns and pest infestations, he found an ally in a mobile app powered by AI. This app, analyzing vast amounts of data from weather forecasts to soil conditions, provided the farmer with tailored advice. The result? A substantial increase in crop yield and income, an incredible testament to the transformative power of AI in agriculture. Now, let's shift our focus to the bustling city of Tokyo. Here, we find an elderly woman living alone, her primary companion a small, furry robot named Pepper. This AI-powered robot, with its ability to understand and respond to human emotions, keeps her company, reminding her to take her medicines and even initiating small talk. This isn't science fiction, it's a heartwarming example of how AI is combating loneliness and improving mental health. From the fields of India to the skyscrapers of Tokyo, AI's influence extends even to the classrooms of a small town in America. An AI-based learning system, recognizing the unique learning style of each student, personalizes the curriculum. This has led to improved understanding, increased interest, and better academic performance among the students. And who could overlook the impact of AI in the medical field? Take the case of a doctor in London using an AI-based diagnostic tool. This tool, analyzing millions of medical records, helps the doctor in early detection of diseases such as cancer, thus improving the chances of successful treatment. So what have we unveiled today? AI, once a concept confined to the realm of science fiction, has become a reality ingrained in our everyday lives. It's helping farmers grow more food, bringing companionship to the lonely, revolutionizing education, and aiding in early disease detection. But remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. The full potential of AI is yet to be realized, and the possibilities it holds are truly endless. It's important to remember that while AI can bring about immense benefits, it also presents new challenges and ethical dilemmas. The question isn't whether AI will continue to permeate our lives. It undoubtedly will. The real question is, how will we navigate this brave new world shaped by artificial intelligence? As we continue to explore and understand AI, it's crucial that we do so with a sense of responsibility and foresight, ensuring that the technology serves us and not the other way around. Remember, AI is a tool, a powerful one at that, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we wield it.